Well, good day to you. I'm from the Russian Federation of Space, and I've come with a great opportunity of how to explore new life, and that is called Titan. And we will plan to join the United States in order to make it. And we will take off from the middle of the ocean due to a high wave that it will cause. And we think that the space station in the middle of the ocean will cost I'd say about $800 million, plus another 200 for the fossil fuels of the hydrogen, because we will need a lot. And the rocket ship will cost, at least with astronauts and everything and the rovers, $2 billion. So it will be a $3 billion operation that we will split the profits and the earnings with the United States. And we will plan to go to Titan, which is one of the moons of Saturn, and it has an equatorial radius of 2,500 kilometers, so it's very big. And we are planning to go there because there has been signs of life, and we need to find life. And we will send man because I think that man are more effective than machines. And the big benefit of this experience, with the drawback being that it costs a lot, is that we can learn a lot about this place, and it will have a big economical focus because it will hurt the economy a little. But I think that overall it will help the economy because it can create an alternative from what the world gets. So it's a risk reward. It will be an alternative when the world isn't livable anymore. So I think it's a really good option that will affect economically these two countries at first, but then help. So we are live here with our survey specialist coming all the way from Afghanistan on a special trip. She will tell us all about the trip to Titan and how she's planning to survey the moon. Here you go, Miss Pereira, you're live.
I have decided that for a journey as long as this one, the proper exploration must be made with 4 to 5 months on the planet. Furthermore, we will take 8 astronauts along with a few rovers. The expedition is prepared to survive the nitrogen and methane and ethane atmosphere it has. It is also ready to stand the cold temperature and negative 289 Fahrenheit. I think this will be a really good trip to Thailand because maybe we could find new stuff or life that could help us in the future to have that could help us in the future, or we can find special food or materials or plant or natural stuff that could help us do experiments and stuff that would help us as a world, and yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll get back to you pretty soon. Thank you. Unfortunately, our highly effective communications public relations man is absent for today, but he left me this email saying what we need to say about him, and he says that we have to interpret our data, and based on NASA, Titan is one of Saturn's moons, located about 1.3 billion kilometers away. That is much more than when the moon is, which is only 385 kilometers away. So you can see why this is a challenge, because it's so far away, and why we need your American help, and also because we are very sure that this moon will give us something effective out of it, and it will help us understand more about this space, and even though it will be highly costly, we can learn a lot.